Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, for giving me this opportunity to oppose that recommendation and that report from the committee. Mr. Speaker, and I must thank the side of the minority, because as we stand here, we have not been threatened with maandamano if we are to go either way. So I can say we are fine. Mr. Speaker, on this house, on the floor of this house, about 2 years ago, the senator for Siaya then, none other than James Orengo, said here on this floor that impeachment generally is a political process. Mr. Speaker, the question I'm asking the members of this house, are we going to be used to sanitize the politics of Siaya, Mr. Speaker? Mr. Speaker, when I look at this report, and I want to tell the members of this house who are saying about page 11, we do not know how they arrived on this, Mr. Speaker, but of course they signed on a report that was agreed by the majority. Just to say, yes, we agreed to what we said, nevertheless not talking about the number 6 and number 5, Mr. Speaker. But I want to ask myself, Mr. Speaker, when you say you're removing somebody from office because he said in public that a certain CS was forced to resign, Mr. Speaker, is that a threshold enough to remove somebody from office? How many times have we been lied to, Mr. Speaker, by leaders whom we respect from either side, Mr. Speaker? Mr. Speaker, on that issue of political process, I keep on asking, are we going to allow this house to be used to play politics of Siaya, Mr. Speaker? And that's why I oppose that report. Mr. Speaker, we are told by that report that the said deputy governor was interfering with procurement processes, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, we do have directors of procurement in every county, Mr. Speaker. It is not the deputy governor. And if at all you're blaming the deputy governor, the person who is supposed to be here is the county executive, who is the governor of Siaya, James Orengo. He is the person who is supposed to be on this floor. Mr. Speaker, I saw it on the other day.
Honorable senators, especially those from the government side, we will still need these chairs after this session.
Thank you. I think I still have my 1 minute. Mr. Speaker, this House has been sitting here discussing important motions, important issues, having the CSs coming here to discuss matters of national importance, but the minority move out or always go out of the House. They are now here, Mr. Speaker, just to kick out somebody because somebody said a certain county secretary was forced to resign. Mr. Speaker, is that what we want this Senate to go down as? A House that discusses irrelevancies? Mr. Speaker, do we want this House to be taken as a House that only discusses on removal? That's why their side is full, Mr. Speaker. Look at them. Beautiful. They are here. Mr. Speaker, look at them. Look at them. Look at them, Mr. Speaker. But when we are discussing issues of the county the national importance, they move out. I ask them to move out even now. Go, so that's Siaya.
What is your point of order, Senator Eddy?